Welcome to Communication for Happiness, Dr. Sushil, and the topic in hand is Describe an Ambitious Person. And the cues are name of the person, how do you know that person, and what he or she wants to achieve. हर एक क्यू कार्ड में 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं. पहले वाला उसका बैकग्राउंड होता है, फिर मेन वाला पार्ट, फिर कंक्लूजन होता है. Before starting the background, the first part, you need to understand the theme of the cue card. यहाँ पे है ambitious person. Ambitious person कौन होता है? Who wants to get success at every cost, जो हर कीमत पे सफल होना चाहता है. तो इसका बैकग्राउंड ऐसे बनेगा. In this world, I think everyone dreams to achieve something very big, but only handful people, handful, handful means muthi bhar log, only handful people, they achieve their targets. Maximum people, they just forget their desires after some time. And those people who are successful in having whatever they want to have, they have determination, they have strong willpower, and from morning to evening they live with their dream, they live with their ambition. I know a lot of people of this kind who have great targets, and one of them I like to describe over here, and she is Kajal. Yes, Kajal is around 19 years old, and she is around 6 feet tall, not very heavy. She is very active. When it comes to knowing her, we have good acquaintance. Acquaintance होता परिचय, जान पहचान. ACQUAINTANCE, acquaintance, परिचय. Because she lives in the same colony where I live. She lives at stone's throw. Stone's throw होता है जितनी दूर आप पत्थर फेंक सकते हो, मीन्स वेरी नियर. शी लिव्स एट स्टोन्स थ्रो फ्रॉम माई होम, एंड I generally meet her. She is one of the ambitious people I have ever met. There are thousands of reasons behind it. She's around 19, and so far she has played many basketball matches. State level she has played up to. Actually, Kajal is a basketball player, and she is so lost in this game that she wants to become a national player at every cost. And to reach over there, she has changed her whole life. Couple of days back, I had a word with him. Had a word means baat karna, have a word baat karna, and she told me so many things. She is an early bird. अर्ली बर्ड होता है जो बहुत जल्दी उठता है. शी गेट्स अप 4 o'clock, एंड देन शी गोज टू द ग्राउंड. शी प्रैक्टिसेस अप टू 9:30, मीन्स 4.5 hours she practices. When other players they are not on the ground, she keeps practicing herself. And She always dreams about enjoying the success. Whenever you talk to her, she'll always take the matter to the best players of basketball. She has searched the whole information about the best players of the world. She generally goes through their biographies, how they got success, how much hard work they did to achieve that level, and she's so passionate about this game that whenever she is free, she has a basketball in her hand, and she starts throwing it into the hole. Even at home, she told me that she has prepared a small ground where she keeps throwing the basketball into the ring. Having seen and having heard all these things, having के बाद हमेशा वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आती है, ये सब सुनने और देखने के बाद आई एम क्वाइट श्योर दैट वन डे she will achieve her goal. Nobody can stop her. Even God helps those who do something continuously. So Kajal is the ambitious person in my eyes who has clarity about her dream, and she will achieve the success definitely. So this was the answer of this question. I am Dr. Sushil from Communication for Happiness. We are in Panipat. We deal in IELTS, PTE, French study visa and spoken English. If you are in Panipat, do visit us, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. It's Communication for Happiness. Thank you very much.